Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to create equalizer preset for your earbuds Sony. You have to start by opening the application, and right here at the top we have Equalizer. You need to click right here at the same line as we have this text, and right here we have preset. So basically we have a few options how to create it. First one, we can choose custom 1 or custom 2 and start to modify it. So click at this settings icon here and make something good for you. Let's say that's okay for me, also a clear pass. And then when you did it on a custom one, click OK. But as I said previous, we have few options. So the second option is to modify one of the presets what Sony offer for us. So let's say, let's choose something like bright, it's okay, and then click at this settings icon. Now we can modify it, let's say something like this, and as you can see it changed to manual. So if we click OK, right here we swap to the manual preset. So if you modify one of the preset what Sony offer for you, you will swap to manual, or you can modify it on the custom one. Great. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.